To keep up with the speed of business, today's leaders need to constantly keep watch over their companies, monitoring growth and change while maintaining a big picture view from the top to the bottom and down to the details. Losing sight of long-term goals while trying to manage change can easily happen. Having a fresh set of eyes can be helpful, especially when expanding or consolidating. HOJ Innovations can find solutions to an ever-changing landscape, keeping companies moving forward while finding new ways to become more efficient. Who are we at HOJ Innovation? We are 50 years of material handling integration with over 100,000 completed projects. Backed by HOJ's experience, independent consultants, architects, general contractors, and real estate advisors now have another tool to gain a distinct advantage in a competitive marketplace by helping their clients continue to become stronger while still managing the up or down scalability companies go through. As successful companies grow, they add on, and often add multiple warehouses. In planning consolidation, companies often only consider the summation of all the occupied space without looking at the bigger picture. What if they stopped expanding their outlived current processes and discovered new, more effective ways of managing their distribution business? What if they could operate in a new space that is smaller than they originally planned, with less people delivering a higher ROI? HOJ Innovations offers solutions to process design and material handling integration. Our vast services help validate space required for warehousing operations. We use data analysis of historical warehouse performance to design optimum material handling systems for storage and fulfillment. We deploy tools through our Warehouse OS process that utilize designs of racking, conveyor, storage automation, forklifts, and wearable visual mobile technology to create a validated plan and square footage requirement. We can help validation by designing efficient warehousing operations that maximize cube and minimize the square footage and number of employees needed to run operations. HOJ Innovations wants to help your client become more efficient while not losing sight of what made them great in the first place.
One of the things I love about HOJ is that they not only sell racking and material handling equipment and dock plates and all the stuff that you need for a warehouse, but they bring it together in a way that makes so much sense for my clients.
HOJ Engineering was a name that, as we began to deal with real estate brokers looking for property and with local developers, they all knew HOJ Engineering. They knew they had experienced with them before. They knew the quality and the type of work they would do, and they had nothing but positive things to say about HOJ.
HOJ gives your client the most up-to-date knowledge and information, which allows you to bridge the gap between C-level corporate America and the latest initiatives being offered in warehouse efficiencies.
Well, Tim and a team came out to Cortez. They looked at all of our operation, what we were doing, gathered a lot of their own data. They captured some data that we provided to them, and in using that, they were able to identify what we needed to do, how it should look in the end.
One of the great things about HOJ Engineering is they really make us look like heroes as a contractor and as a developer. They can come in and really help your customer understand what they're looking for and help them size the buildings right.
HOJ was instrumental in dealing with the process all the way through. They did the detail work. They were able to tell us how much space we would need opening day, how much space we'd need 3 years and 5 years down the road. Not only the design of the building and the idea for sizing, but as the build process happened, they were intricately involved in construction meetings and working with people and helping facilitate things get done that could have been roadblocks otherwise. So they were very valuable in the process, not only as a partner on the logistics side of it and the environment that we're now in, but they helped immensely with all facets of making this project happen.
They help validate my client's process. If I involve HOJ, I generally think the deal is going to get done. It's got a much higher probability of getting done when I've got HOJ working on the project. They bring something that I've never seen anybody bring to my clients.
But it's a win for the customer, it's a win for the brokerage community. It makes us all look like heroes.
It's no secret that the demands and competitive advantage of supply chain efficiencies are the new frontier of doing business. HOJ connects the dots between economic development, real estate advisors, architects, contractors, and consultants, so they all can benefit from the new perspectives HOJ can offer and keep sight of the big picture.